As reported back in March, DRDO has developed an advanced chaff technology to safeguard the naval ships against enemy missile attack. Talking about chaff, it is a passive, expendable electronic countermeasure technology used worldwide to protect naval ships and fighter aircrafts from enemy's radar and radio frequency missile seekers. Chaff is a radar countermeasures in which aircraft or other targets spread a cloud of small, thin pieces of aluminum, metallized glass fiber or plastic, which you can see in the video as well. This cloud either appears as a cluster of primary targets on radar screen or swarms the screen with multiple returns. The importance of this development lies in the fact that very less quantity of chaff material deployed in the air acts as a decoy to deflect enemy's missiles for safety of the ships and fighter aircrafts. Modern radar systems can distinguish chaff from a target objects by measuring the Doppler shift. Chaff quickly loses speed compared to an aircraft and thus shows a characteristic change in frequency that allows it to be filtered out. This has led to a new technique where the chaff is further illuminated by an additional signal from target vehicle with the proper Doppler frequency. This is known as JAF, jammer plus chaff, or chill, chaff illuminated. The Defense Laboratory Jodhpur DLJ, a DRDO laboratory, has indigenously developed three variants of this critical technology, namely short range chaff rocket SRCR, medium range chaff rocket MRCR, and long range chaff rocket LRCR. The successful development of advanced chaff technology by DLJ is another step towards self-reliant India and defense sector. Indian Navy has already conducted trials of all three variants in Arabian Sea on Indian naval ship and found the performance satisfactory. Now, the same technology has been refined as an advanced chaff technology to safeguard fighter aircraft of Indian Air Force against hostile radar threats. DLJ has developed this advanced chaff material and chaff cartridge 118i in collaboration with HEMRL Pune. The new advanced chaff cartridges meet all the qualitative requirements of Indian Air Force, and the process of its induction has begun after successful user trials. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.